Hello friends, today in this video I would like to introduce you trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very important topic in mathematics. In 10th standard the introduction of the trigonometry is given, but this trigonometry is very important those who take the mathematics in their higher classes. For example, in 11th and 12th, those who students take mathematics and they go in engineering, then they require this trigonometry essentially. So first of all, in 10th, according to the 10th standard, we will discuss today the trigonometry. Trigonometry is actually the word derived from the two different words. One is the triangle and other one is a measurement. So this is the actually measurement of the triangle. Let us now introduce the trigonometry. So in trigonometry, the discussion is take place with the right triangle. So here triangle A, B and C, you can observe that triangle A, B and C, in which you observe angle B is right angle. Then this angle is taken as a theta. Theta is a Greek alphabet. Generally it is used for the angle. So this angle is a theta. Angle C is equal to theta. So BC is become the adjacent side of this angle, and this AB is become the opposite side of angle, and the side opposite to right angle is considered as a hypotenuse. So on the basis of this triangle, we have 6 different ratios of the sides. Number 1, suppose I am taking here AB upon AC ratio, the side AB divided by side AC. So this AB upon AC, it is opposite side of angle divided by hypotenuse. Then this ratio is considered as a sin theta. Here theta is an angle, whatever the measure of the angle, that is theta. The another ratio BC upon AC, that is adjacent side of this angle divided by hypotenuse, then that is considered as a cosine, but it is short form is written cos theta. The third one, it is widely used. This widely used in the especially whenever you want to find out the slope of the line, then we have using the tan theta. This AB upon BC, the opposite side of angle divided by adjacent side of angle, then it is known as a tan theta. The full form of tan theta is actually tangent of the angle. Now the rest of the 3 are reciprocal. For example, BC upon AB, AC upon BC and AC upon AB. So these ratios are here the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan. So cosec theta, that is AC divided by AB, reciprocal AC divided of AB, that is reciprocal of sine. So hypotenuse divided by opposite side of angle, then it is considered as a cosec theta. Theta is angle once again. Now the sec theta, actually the full form is cosecant, and sec is the full form of, it is a short form of secant. So sec theta is AC upon BC. AC upon BC, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of the angle. Now reciprocal of tan theta, that is cotangent. So that cotangent is cot theta, that is BC upon AB, and this adjacent side of angle divided by opposite side of angle. Now what are the interrelationship between these ratios? These are the 6 ratios of trigonometry. Now the interrelationship, how they are interrelated to each other, that relation is defined here. The sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. So the cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. If you cross multiply it, then sin theta into cosec theta is 1. So sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Similarly, here cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So cos theta and sec theta, these are reciprocal of each other. So their product is equal to 1. Now tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So their product is also 1. So tan theta and cot theta, they are also reciprocal of each other. Now not only that, but tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta also, and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta also. This is the discussion regarding the basic idea of the trigonometry, how the ratios are considered and what ratio of the sides is naming by which word. So here once again I repeat, opposite upon hypotenuse, that is sine, adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is cos, and opposite upon adjacent, that is tan. So in this video we have just introduced the ratio of ratio in a trigonometry. In next video we will discuss about the value table. Value table in the sense, that means the theta, the value of this angle, that is a specific value. For example 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, that value table we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. You can comment also on this video, and please subscribe the channel. That will help you whenever the new video is uploaded. Then the first of all, you will be watch these videos. Thank you.